My name is Christina Wambrau. I'm 35 years old. I work at a Japanese company, and next to that I teach in the gym. I teach spinning, and I live in Amsterdam. I have overall dry skin, especially my feet. I wear high heels, and I also teach in the gym, so I do a lot of exercise, which is quite some pressure on my feet. And I was actually looking for a cream which smoothens the feet but also relaxes the feet in a way. We used many products, but mainly there was too much perfume. It didn't really work. So I had become a little desperate after trying so many products. Well, a colleague of mine, she started selling these products, and I became very interested. I grew up on the countryside, so for me the nature is very important. I've always been very conscious about these things. I've used the foot cream, and I could immediately feel, actually after a very short while of using it, that my feet became very smooth, and it also relaxed my feet after a long day of work. My feet on the whole become less sore and less tired, so it was, I was very happy that I finally have found something which is really helpful. It is a very good product. It's not only because it's organic, but it actually really works.